Hi guys, today I thought I'd bring up the activity of stargazing, and I'm hoping to inspire you to do this with your kids or your grandkids, or it's really for any age. So the first thing I did to get started was I searched the internet for Summer Stargazing 2025 in my area to get the best times and days to do this. And you could travel somewhere to do this, or you could do it right from your own back or front yard. And I'm going to do this from my backyard. And so I've set up some chairs and even a small table to get started. And there's no need for fancy equipment. On a clear night, you can see things such as bright stars and planets and even more. But if you do have binoculars or telescopes, it will enhance the view and make things even clearer. And I thought to make the night even more fun and cozy, you could take some blankets out with you and some snacks such as soda and cookies. And if you want to go to the trouble of making some maybe star shape and moon cookies, or if you're looking for a healthier snack, you could do popcorn, some fruit juice, or even a non-sugar soda. I gotta say, I actually filmed this before it was the right day and time to watch the stars in my area, so I just got the moon. But I hope you guys go outside this summer and enjoy the stars, and thank you guys for watching.